If you'd like better insights at a glance on why people are clicking your videos on YouTube or not, then go ahead and use the TubeBuddy Click Magnet tool. Click the TubeBuddy tool up in the top right-hand corner. You'll see Click Magnet here and also Launch Click Magnet Now. Click that. Once you get here, there's 4 different tools. We'll start with Power Rankings, which helps you understand what people want to watch of your videos and what they're craving of your current subscriber base or current viewership. When you go to Power Rankings, this is a great way for you to understand maybe which video types you should double down on and maybe which ones you should kill with fire. So for example, on this old channel of mine, AWOL Digital, my how-to videos, like my how to set up X, how to set up Y videos do extremely well. And as you can see, their metrics of click-through rate, watch time, and clicks are very high. So the strength is high. So I should probably, if I want to grow this YouTube channel, double down on how-to videos in this case. However, if you want to see which videos are not working, scroll down to the bottom of the list and see what your low performing videos are. In this case, this product Melon didn't do well for me, and some various other videos. The Everything You Need to Know About series didn't do very well for me, and I can see the corresponding click-through rate, watch time, and clicks associated with that. So it's really important when you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, not only do you produce great videos that perform really well, but also you eliminate videos that are performing poorly. Use that time and double down on the winners, the ones here at the top of the list, and kill the losers at the bottom of the list with fire. If you do that, you can grow quickly on YouTube. At a glance, so helpful. Also, there is CTR Opportunities Tool with Click Magnet. So basically, you're trying to improve certain videos using their optimization tools here in TubeBuddy. So when we click that, they're going to show you opportunities to improve your existing video click-through rates. Click-through rate is one of the top 2 most important metrics to get views on YouTube, and thumbnails are really important, and obviously titles are incredibly important as well. So for example, my average click-through rate on my channel is 3.8%. This video in particular has a 2.72% click-through rate, which means I could create an A/B test to test a new thumbnail and a new title versus this one to optimize it. And when it has the performance here in green, what they're saying is that these are videos that people actually watch for a decent amount of time once they click, but my click-through rate is low. Got it? So what this tool is telling you, the CTR Opportunities tool is telling you is, these are pretty good videos. And when people actually discover these videos, they watch them for a decent amount of time, but they're not clicking them. That's your opportunity to double down. In my experience, I have only focused on ones that are rated high or very high for click-through rate opportunities, and I almost always run an A/B test using TubeBuddy to test alternate titles and, most importantly, alternate thumbnails. Thumbnails are even more important than titles for especially educational videos. But in any case, you can experiment with both fields. Also, within the Click Magnet tool, there is the Element Inspector. I think, in my opinion, this is the coolest aspect of Click Magnet. Click Element Inspector, and this actually shows you on your channel which aspects of a YouTube thumbnail are getting clicks or not. It's so awesome. So for example, on my channel, I don't have videos that don't have faces really, so it's not really showing up here. But some people have videos that don't have faces in the thumbnails. In my case, my click-through rate with faces is higher than my ones with no faces. You can look at your channel and see. But check this out, with emotions, let's say you put your face or someone else's face in the thumbnails, it'll identify whether those are happy faces, sad faces, surprised, calm, confused, etc. Notice how on my channel, my videos where I have a confused face and I'm like, and I'm pointing to my head, as you can see in those thumbnails, gets a significantly higher click-through rate than the ones where I'm not pointing to my head or I'm not looking confused. So moving forward, I should probably take more photos of myself looking confused. It's just math. Sizes as well. So you can put someone's face in a thumbnail in a long shot, medium shot, close up, or mixed size, And then you can see on your channel which size of face, if you will, in the thumbnail performs the best. And for me, close-ups do the best. So close-ups of me looking confused does well on my channel. Take a look at what does well on your channel. There's constant debate about whether you should put text or no text on your thumbnails, on your videos. On my channel, thumbnails that do have some text of some description do well. Be sure to go and look at all of the examples though and make sure that all of them are applicable, because in some examples there might be tiny text, not big text, that is being detected by TubeBuddy. But as you can see, the thumbnails that are more clean and don't have any text or complications with text in the thumbnail do not perform as well. So the insights I'm getting so far is I need to have a face, I need to look confused, it needs to be a close-up, and there should be some text in the thumbnail. And lastly, words and titles. You will see which types of words in your titles of your videos do well, so you can optimize. In my case, if I have the word sure, which is a brand name, in the titles of my videos, I get a much higher click-through rate than other words. Take a look through here. This can help you with topics, and this can help you eliminate the stinkers so that you can double down on the winners. So for example, I might not want to do videos about cross-clip or melon, for example, as topics, because when I have those words in the title of my videos, they don't do as well. Lastly, there's advanced analytics. You can view and export a number of metrics with YouTube here with using this tool. Is this the same data as your YouTube dashboard? Yes, but the reason why I like this tool is it simplifies to what actually matters on YouTube versus all of the other metrics that YouTube will feed you. What actually matters? Your average view duration, your watch time, and your click-through rate. Honestly, that's it. And you want to see, is that generating impressions for your video, and is that generating views? You can sort by power rank here. The highest ranked, number 1, will be the ones with great watch time and great click-through rate, as you can see from this example here. And the worst ones at the bottom of the power ranking will have the worst click-through rates and the worst watch times. So once again, what does this mean for you? This means that you should be doubling down on the winners, the best practices of your top 10 videos, and you should be eliminating what you're doing in your bottom 10 videos from your channel. Do this every single month using TubeBuddy. Last note on this tool, you can not only take a look at all traffic sources, which I recommend, but you can narrow it down based on search only. Let's say you're running an SEO strategy with your videos. You can sort by search, which is incredibly helpful. And if you want to eliminate videos that have a low number of impressions, you can eliminate those off the list by bringing the minimum number of impressions up so that you get the outliers out of your view. Also, if you want to only see the time frame of the videos within, like, let's say it's first 24 hours, 48 hours, 7 days, or 30 days, you can sort that here to see what performs early in the life cycle of a video. I want you to keep in mind, if you're doing searchable videos or ones that have a longer shelf life, it doesn't matter how they perform in the first 30 days. It matters how they perform in the long run. Whereas if you're doing more viral videos that are more targeted towards your subscribers, that are more timely, then you want to be looking at shorter time frames like 24 hours and 48 hours. So it all depends on your content type. Take the time to look through Click Magnet tool. It distills all of the analytics that you would ever need to know from all sorts of experts and from YouTube dashboard into just some simple interfaces to give you quick insights for you to review on a monthly basis. Don't let your learning stop here about TubeBuddy and YouTube tools. We created a completely free downloadable guide at notcorrupt.media about this tool and so many others with TubeBuddy. That's notcorrupt.media, totally free, just for you.